Dito pa rin tayo guys. Ayun pa rin, warm pa rin yung sun dito. It's up and shining. Ayun, mountains. Ayun guys, yung mountains. Gusto ko talaga mga mountains. You're adorable. Ay, ang ganda ng jet plane. Tingnan nyo, ang haba. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're so beautiful of charm. D, you're a darling. And E, you're exciting. And F, you're a feather in my heart. G, you're so good to me. H, you're so heavenly. I, you're a one I like to lies. J, you're a Jack and Jill. K, you're so kissable. L, you're the love that's in my life. M, N, O, P, I hope that you're okay. Q, R, S, T, alphabetically speaking, you're okay. You make my life complete. V, you're so very sweet. W, X, Y, Z. It's fun to wander through the alphabet with you to tell you what it means. Just to tell you what it means. Just to tell you what it means to me. Do-do-do-dum, do-do-do-dum, dum-dum. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah.